Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept which describes the process of performing a single action in different ways. It allows method to do different things based on the object it is acting upon, even though they share the same name. In Salesforce Apex, it means methods or objects can do different things in different situations. It can be achieved through method overriding and method overloading. Overriding Overriding is a process that allows child classes to modify behavior of parent classes by redefining the methods defined in the parent class. Overloading Overloading is a process that allows multiple functions or methods of the same name but with different parameters to be defined for a single class. Let's see an example. Here parent class is vehicle and display information having system.debug. This is a vehicle and child class extending from vehicle, overriding the display info method. So public override void display info, and here this is a car, it's printing system.debug. So uses, when we are creating the instance of vehicle, new vehicle, my vehicle dot display info is printing this is a vehicle, creating the my car instance, and here my car display info is printing this is a car. Thank you.